Hello, I'm Andrew, aka Quassi from Quassi's Bell Tower, and today we are going to open up the August RPG crate. So first of all, guys, here is the t-shirt from the box, and just to let you guys know, if you have not seen this before, this skull here has been used at least 3 times now. I think I have this with a t-shirt, I could be wrong, but the skull has been used on a bandana I got from last season or the season before. I'm not sure what it is, but it has been used before, so they're definitely not thinking of new. They're just kind of, let's push out the old stuff again, so that's not really good anyways. But it says Monster Lore. I mean, the color on it is really nice. I do like the gold with the orange. That is nice, but come on, guys. Think of something new. Don't just rehash something out there to push something out. I mean, come on. If you have somebody that's been doing these crates for a while, they're gonna see this and go, oh God, they're just rehashing stuff. That's not cool, man. That's not cool. But anyways, let's open up this crate and see what we got in here. So first is our card, and it's the Mastery of the Hunt. This is a new season, so this is season 4. Crate 37, and we'll come back to this because there's a couple things on here I want to talk about that I see already. It's kind of new. Okay, next we have, looks like our recipe card from the Masteries of the Hunt. This is called Cobalt Bites. Let's see, almonds, hazelnut, orange zest, sugar, egg whites. So yeah, you can definitely make this on your own, and that is the front, and then here is the back of it. Okay, so next we have something different. Monster Lore. I think this has got to do something with something new they're doing. I know they're saying there's stuff that you can buy now exclusively on their page and everything else, but this is the Canis Arcani, sorry. But that's that. Hopefully you guys can see that off the glare. So on the Canis Arcani, if that's how that's pronounced, it looks like it's a Cobalt Spider hybrid. Lawful Evil. It's a small monstrosity, which is cool. Once again, I'll show you guys a picture of this. Hopefully that will show up. Maybe I'll take some camera pictures of it. Its AC is 13, hit points is 11, it's got all its numbers. I'll show you the back side of it. Hopefully the glare off the light there won't be too much of a problem, but I'll take some pictures. This is cool, so this is new. I don't know if they'll do this all the time, or if this is just promoting their new thing they're doing. We'll find out, but the artwork on this is really cool. I really like that. It's always cool to bring out new monsters. So next we have our miniature, or miniatures, from Effin' Cool Miniatures. And we have 2 of them this time, which is really cool. And it looks like we have, I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look at the card. I'll show you a picture. It looks like a warrior, but he's got a little bit of a snout to him. So I'm not quite sure what that is. So that's kind of interesting. And then we have here, which looks like I've got a little bit of a mold, extra mold on there. I'm not sure, but this kind of looks like a cobalt. I'm not sure, but it's another little warrior, and he's got a little tail, so I'm assuming he's a cobalt. The other one here, I do not see a tail on him, but it's hard to tell. But like I said, we'll come back to the card and see what that is all about. So next we have our 3 adventures, and the new series is called Mastery of the Hunt. So we are with our 3 cards for the Mastery of the Hunt. So we have the Slaughter Pen, or Slaughter Pen, and that's that. Nothing fancy on the back, so that's that. Then we have the Underground Market, and that is that. And nothing fancy on the back except for the details that you need. And then we have the Messenger's Flight, and that is that one there. and nothing fancy on the back. So it looks like the last thing we have in here is the 5th edition fantasy number 14. I think last month's was 15. Are they going backwards? I don't know. I swear it was 15. Beneath the Keep. This is a level 1 adventure modular. This is the front of the cover. Yeah, that glare once again, right guys? This is done, of course, by Goodman Games. A $10 value right there. And I think it's just one adventure, but let's see. There is a total of 16 pages, so this is a smaller module. Of course, it's only a level 1, so I don't expect it to be that big. Let's see. There is a map there. And I'm assuming this is probably, maybe has to do with kobolds too. I don't know. I see a cockatiel there, a cockatrace there. In here, here's some more artwork. Come on, camera, focus. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It looks like we have some kind of zombie rat thing going on there. I saw something about zombies, and then the little rats on the bottom are all skeletons. So that's it. Let's see. A lot of more wording than pictures in this one. Here's some more artwork. Hopefully that will focus. And, you know, of course it's in black and white. And that's it, man. That's pretty much it. There's a $10 value right there. It's a level 1 book, so, you know, first timer thing, that might be good for somebody. So let's get to the card and see what's up with everything. So this one, like I said, is the Mastery of the Hunt, and a new product is the Monster Lore Game Master reference cards. I don't know if I'll get this every month. I'm assuming I will. So also on here, I realized it says more maps, next level role-playing game. And this is a Patreon RPG crate thing, so looks like they're tapping into Patreon. I don't know what that's all about. Something I'll have to look into. I know I got a couple emails from them, you know, them promoting this stuff and everything else. And it's like, I'm already giving you guys like 40 bucks a month. I don't think you're going to get much more out of me. But it has the t-shirt on there, the recipe card, the premium metal miniatures, which now we can find out are, yes, they are all have to do with kobolds, corporation. So that's that. Beneath the Keep, which is the adventures, which was the book. And then we have our 3 adventures, the Slaughter, the Pen, the Underground Market, and the Messenger's Flight. So that's it. On the back, it's got its normal stuff. So on here it says, welcome to Season 4 of RPG Crate and the beginning of the Mastery of the Hunt story arc. Take a trip to Slaughter Pen, a rough and tumble town with a bit of a reputation. Join us on the hunt and see if you have what it takes to handle the likes of the Canis Arachne. So that's it, guys. You know, this one is really hard to judge. It's cool. We got 2 miniatures. It's Season 4. It's really cool. And it has some new stuff. I really like the new monster thing they put out there. I am definitely going to throw this at my player somewhere down the line where you got a kobold and a spider combined, you know. I thought that was really cool. And the miniatures being kobolds are cool. But the shirt, guys, that's cool. That is a cool design, and I will admit, that is cool. But don't rehash stuff over and over again. That really makes people go, yeah, they can't think of anything new. So you know what? I'm going to give this one a B-. Oh. So that's it, guys. Until next time, and remember to ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time, guys.